used to change their colors, and now we have to go. We have to move on. Move on na tayo at mamalengke pa tayo. Hindi matapos na gawain. Hindi pa nga tayo nagbe-breakfast ay. Not yet. We have to take our breakfast kasi pakagising. Yan, inom-inom lang ng warm water. And that's it. We're going to prepare everything. Paligo sa mga batibot. Asikaso ng baon nila. Okay na. We have this. Ganda, no? Mega love shout out to our liker and one live viewer remaining watching with us. Oh. Dapat nito mag-jogging, Dad. Magtukaw muna kita lugod para maglampasin ta.
Basa man?
Basa? Oh no.
What?
It's basa. Patingin, oh nga, basa. There's some like what do you call that? Morning dew. Is that the right term for this? Good morning. Is this the right term, Daddy? Morning dew. Yeah, this one, oh. Yeah, that is the morning dew. Okay, marami din yan sa ano. Ay, dalhin natin to sa bahay, oh. Para na siyang flower. Oh, diba? Hi, Mr. Sun! Whoop! Nagtatago din si Mr. Sun behind the clouds. Whoop! Yan, ito lang yung time natin para makapag live tayo. I'm trying to do live sa bahay. Kaso wala naman masyadong malala doon. Oh, may mga aso ditong nagpa-practice. Nag-exercise. They are training for something. Oh, may ibon doon, oh. May ibon. May snakes din ba dito? No. Snakes?
No.
No snakes here. Not here. In the Philippines, there's a lot of snakes in there. Big and small. Long and short. Oh my goodness. Oh, anong bunga nito? Naamoy ko ang amoy ng bunga. Oh, yan, oh. Anong puno to? Hindi naman siguro to nakakain. Pero nakakain yata to ng mga ibon. Ay, mga bunga-bunga. Oh. Over there. Okay, bye part. This is the western part. So, we're now going to the grocery store. I need to say bye-bye. Others, may mga bunga-bunga pa dito, oh. Here. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang mga bunga-bungang yan. Yan, oh. Hindi ko naman kabisado ang mga damo dito. Ay, mga bunga-bunga sila dito. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, alam natin yung mga bunga-bunga sa paligid. Okie dokie. So, this is the remembrance for today's live. Let's go. Okay, this is, as far as I remember, this is the street wherein I took my first photo on autumn season. Right, Dad? And I was like, sit down on that part. There are so many leaves in there. Buti nga hindi tayo napagalitan ng may-ari. And after that, the next autumns, they were not so pretty much compared to the first autumn that I've been here. Tapos, pati ang, oh, yan o, pula na. Nagpula na yun ang puno.